So analog feature, 10-bit up to 8-channel analog to digital converter. If they say 8-channel, will there be an 8 ADC? Come on.
Yes.
They
Channel
have
means
told here 10-bit up to 8-channel analog to digital converter, which means that what they really mean. So will there be an 8 analog to digital converter in that particular microcontroller?
no sir. One
One.
analog to digital converter having the resolution, different resolution.
No, a 10-bit is a resolution, that I agree. The 10-bit accuracy you will get for digitized value. What they mean by 8-channel? If I give 8 inputs in 8-channel, will analog to digital converter will digitize all the 8 in one go? If in order to do all 8 at the same time, ADC should have 8 ADC. ADC peripheral should have 8 ADC. Do you agree or not? Come on.
Yes sir.
Yes. So actually it is not the case. They have only one ADC. If that is the case, how they will digitize it? There is concept called multiplexing, right? In the multiplexing register, if they have the value 00, 000, that means because to 8-channel means to represent 8 we can use 4 bits right now. If they have all 4 bits to 0, they will choose first channel. They will digitize input from first channel. In that time, though you have input in other channels, those are ignored. They won't take it up. When the multiplexing value is changing to 1, they will take it from first channel. In that time, other channels are in high impedance state. Though there is a signal input, they won't consider them. So like that, they use a multiplexing to digitize one input at a time. They can use a timer to choose the different multiplexing value in one go. They won't digitize all of them in one go. They will use them with time division multiplexing. So based on the timing, different timing, they will come and digitize the samples. Is it clear? 8-channel analog to digital bit converter with 10-bit resolution. 10-bit
Yes,
resolution means a maximum 10 bits are provided to represent digitized value. Got it now? Then brownout reset, if the voltage level is going below the normal operating voltage, they will issue a reset. They won't process the signal, any signal. They will simply restart again and again and again. So that will indicate that the system is not operating at right voltage. So if you see the flux, when there is a voltage fluctuation, if you have this inverter circuitry in your home, if you have an inverter or something electronic circuitry, they used to restart. They will create a glitch when there is a power fluctuation right now. So those were because of this brownout reset only. When their operating voltage goes below certain level, automatically they will issue brownout reset right now. Analog comparator module with 2 analog comparators, programmable on-chip voltage reference module. So there is an 2 analog comparators also there. You can compare 2 analog signal here. And then programmable on-chip voltage reference, V reference module, programmable input multiplexing from device inputs and internal voltage reference. And then comparator outputs are externally accessible. These are the analog features that we have. special microcontroller features. 100,000 times you can erase and write cycle. That much time you can erase. 100,000 time means you won't do that much time. Maybe even if you are doing erasing and writing for nearly some 6 months, you won't reach that. Right. So, and then 1,000 time erase and write cycle for EEPROM. So 100,000 time for flash, but EEPROM is more than that. And the data EEPROM retention, you can, that is in data EEPROM, whatever you write, no. So that will be there for more than 40 years. So it is self-programmable under software control. You can program it using, reprogram it using program. For example, you want to do a flashing of your module. For that, this will be helpful. If your microcontroller doesn't support self-programming, you have to take the microcontroller out and how to fit it in some special device, and then only you can program. You cannot use CAN flashing or serial flashing, those sort of things, if your microcontroller doesn't support self-programming. So we have that feature as well. And then in-circuit serial program, this is a special way to program a microcontroller that is also supported. And then single supply 5-volt in-circuit serial programming. So 5-volt is enough to operate and flash the software. There is a watchdog timer as well with its own on-chip RC oscillator for reliable operation. Right. I believe they have a dedicated watchdog timer here. Programmable code protection. You can protect your code by making some sort of lock in the code. Power saving sleep mode. So when the module is not used, we want to go into low operating mode so that we can consume less current right now in the order of micro or milliamps that is required when we park the vehicle. So that feature also available in this microcontroller. It is supporting power saving sleep mode. Right. Then selectable oscillator option. You have a multiple option to choose oscillator. You can operate, which means that you can operate the microcontroller at different operating frequency. And then IZD, in-circuit debugging. This is for debugging purpose. It needs a special hardware. You cannot simply do ICD without any special hardware. That is not possible. Then CMOS technology, low power, high speed flash EEPROM technology, fully static design, wide operating voltage range, 2 volt to 5.5 volt, they are okay. If we go less than 2 volt only, the problem. They will issue a brownout reset. Commercial and industrial temperature range, low power consumption. These are the other advantages that we have for this particular microcontroller.